So I'm still traveling, but still time for a new video. And today we're going to talk about PancakeSwap. You see, the reason why is that in the past month, PancakeSwap has recorded $100 billion in trading volume, really reinforcing its status as a major omnichain decentralized exchange. PancakeSwap's native token Cake has surged a staggering 120% this week, and the price spike has pushed Cake up to $3.17, with its market cap valuing to around 924 billion, and 24-hour trading volume currently valued at 1.2 billion, which is a 336% pump in activity. A major reason for the surge in PancakeSwap's revenue sharing program, which has been calculating big rewards for stakers. Since early 2024, 770,000 Cake tokens, around $1.9 million, have been distributed to stakers via the platform. And this has led to more investors locking up their Cake and further tightening supply and increasing demand. In addition, PancakeSwap has been improving its protocol to enable smoother cross-chain swaps with MEV protection, improved these with appealing staking rewards. It attracted more liquidity providers, boosting its decentralized exchange ecosystem. But before this breakout, Cake was stuck in a very long correction, which caused traders, including me, to be doubtful about its price action. But the recent 100% price increase over the past week has wiped out the bearish sentiment and brought back confidence in the Cake coin. Now, just in case you never heard about PancakeSwap, well, PancakeSwap was originally built on the Binance, the BNB chain, and allows users to trade tokens without using a centralized exchange. It provides an era of products such as an exchange to swap tokens, a yield farm to earn rewards, zero pools to stake Cake tokens, Ethereum liquid staking and simple staking, Pancake Protectors game, a version 3 position manager, which is a new feature, a prediction market, a national farm offering IFO, token launches, and a bridge-to-bridge Cake to Ethereum and Aptos. There's a lottery, and there is, of course, an NFT marketplace. PancakeSwap innovates quickly and ships new products regularly. Now, in April 2023, PancakeSwap voted to transition to a deflationary token model called Ultrasound Cake. The protocol passed a proposal called Cake Tokenomics version 2.5 in order to create a structure combining real yield, no supply impact, and reduced token emissions. Over 102% of minted Cake is burned weekly. This intended to provide a multi-year runway for emissions and incentivize locking up Cake, making the token more valuable long term. This almost sounds similar to carbon emission, but this is Cake emission. Anyway, so in this video we're gonna give you some insight on PancakeSwap, latest news. Furthermore, we won't look at price predictions for 2025 and 2026 because apparently none of you like it, so I will just give my own price prediction. Anyway, as always, I want to welcome you to Crypto Never Sleeps, and in case you're new to crypto, get yourself educated as fast as possible because this market is poised to taking off. Listen, I still believe that we are going to see altcoin hitting new all-time highs by the end of 2025. And as you know, it is truly with great conviction and hard work that I try to provide you top quality projects. Do me a favor, hit the like, subscribe to the channel, join the live streams when they are on so that you can become among the top 1%. My name is Nico Arachi and I am a real investor. First things first, the live Cake price today trading at $3.07 and the current coin market cap ranking is number 79 with a live market cap of almost 900 million. Still trading, and listen to this, 93% below its all-time high, which was recorded on April 30th, 2021. So this could generate more than 1,336% return on investment if it's going to hit its previous all-time high. Now remember, behind PancakeSwap is Binance, and Binance is big. Huge, right? So we have to put some faith into that. But now let's move on to the news. Not so many news, but important news. And goes on to that the leading decentralized exchange, PancakeSwap, has expanded its support for ops-powered protocols called DLimit and DTWAP to Arbitrum, Linear, and Base. And this development extends PancakeSwap's advanced trading features beyond its existing BNB chain deployment, offering enhanced order execution capabilities across multiple networks. Now, the integration of DLimit and DSwap provides traders with sophisticated tools for optimizing trading strategies. Now, DLimit orders allow users to specify execution prices, ensuring trades are only completed under predetermined conditions, while DSwap orders break large transactions into smaller trades over time to minimize slippage and market impact. And these features bring algorithmic trading strategies commonly used in centralized finance to DeFi, enabling users to execute complex order types within a decentralized framework. The expansion to Arbitrum, Linear, and Base follows successful implementations of ORPS-powered protocol across other major dexes, including QuickSwap, SpookySwap, and Thena. Now listen to this. DLimit and DSwap have been integrated by 14 dexes across 8 chains, supporting over 15 million of trading volume per month. And these twin trading technologies are now available to PancakeSwap users on Arbitrum, Linear, and Base. Now, I also just want to mention on 1inch, where I also do a lot of trading, they also have these new advanced features where you can have execute limit orders. I've actually used that quite a bit. And so I think it's a fantastic thing. And we are really seeing, it's almost like we are seeing features from centralized finance now slowly migrating or transitioning over to decentralized finance. It's a lovely thing. Anyway, speaking more about OPS. OPS is a decentralized layer 3 blockchain specifically designed for advanced on-chain trading, utilizing a proof of stake consensus. So OPS acts as a supplementary execution layer, facilitating complex logic and scripts beyond the native functionalities of smart contracts. Innovative protocols like DLimit, DSwap, Liquidity Hub, and Perpetual Hub push obviously the boundaries of DeFi and smart contract technology, introducing CeFi, centralized finance level execution, to on-chain decentralized trading. So in the past month, PancakeSwap has recorded 100 billion in trading volume, reinforcing its status as a major omnichain DEX. The platform is also the largest adopter of ORPS trading technology by volume, and by extending DLimit and DSwap to Arbitrum, Linear, and Base, PancakeSwap is enhancing its multi-chain ecosystem while empowering traders through flexible order execution mechanisms. Barachi and I are a real investor.